Welcome to Kinkoi International. This video will be your introduction into an amazing business opportunity, working with a multinational company, and a chance to experience the excitement of investing in the gold market. Kinkoi International is based in Hong Kong and specializes in the internet marketing of gold bars. Kinkoi buys pure gold, 24 carats with 999.9% purity, from the major world centers of gold production such as Dubai and Hong Kong in order to meet the purchase needs of its partners. Kinkoi has long-standing franchises in almost every country in the world. This presentation will explain the reasons why gold is the business that attracts the largest amount of investors in the world. Gold has long been a valuable and highly sought-after precious metal for coinage, jewelry, and other arts. It is widely used throughout the world as both money and as a hedge against inflation. Historically, investing in gold has been considered a safeguard during times of economic instability. This presentation will address the following items. 1. Kinkoi marketing. 2. Earnings and bonus programs with different paths to success. And 3. The leadership program. The advantages of the buying group process in Kinkoi. Rapid completion of Matrix 1 first level, 7 people. Rapid return on the initial investment. Bonuses awarded on all subsequent 7-member closeouts. The buying group consists of 4 distinct segments: capitalization groups CG200 and 600, buying groups BG1200 and 2400. Each segment of the buying group has a specific investment value and is awarded specific performance bonuses. Optional investment strategies are possible. An investor can join a buying group at 3 distinct investment levels: CG200, CG600, and BG1200. The majority of franchisees worldwide enter directly into Capitalization Group 600. This investment is relatively low and the return on investment is generally faster. The development of Kinkoi buying groups. New investors join at the first level of their chosen buying group. The initial transaction allows a new investor to immediately become part of an existing 3-member buying group. The first level of involvement will be successfully completed with the recruitment of 3 additional investors into your buying group. These new investors can be invited by any existing member in the Kinkoi marketing program. The division of buying groups. Upon successful recruitment of a 3rd investor, the original member of the now 7-member group will advance to the next step in the Kinkoi system. In this example, Peter is the initial investor in this Kinkoi buying group, and he would advance to the next stage. At this point, the remaining 6 members are split into 2 new groups, and each will advance to the next level of the Kinkoi system. The process is repeated when the existing 3 members have successfully recruited 4 new investors. In this example, Mary would advance once the 4 new investors are recruited. The process is repeated again. The group is split, 2 new groups are formed, and now you become eligible for advancement. After the successful recruitment of 4 new investors into the Kinkoi system, you have now completed your first 3 levels of involvement and advanced to the next stage. Once again, there are 4 distinct segments of the Kinkoi buying groups: Capitalization Group 200, Capitalization Group 600, Buying Group 1200, Buying Group 2400. At the completion of each level in each group, an investor advances in the Kinkoi system and credits and bonuses are awarded. Here's an initial investment into Capitalization Group 200. The initial investment is $200. The credit awarded at this stage, upon successful completion of all levels, would be $600. There's also a $200 voucher credited to your Kinkoi account at this point. The $600 credit is reinvested into Capitalization Group 600, and the investor becomes a member at the CG600 stage. CG600 has an investment of $600. This money is not out of pocket, but comes instead from the CG200 credit. The credit awarded at the end of the CG600 stage is $1,800. This credit is then divided as follows: $200 expensed for the CG200 voucher, $200 expensed for the lead franchise, $1,200 reinvested into Buying Group 1200, and $200 paid out in an additional voucher. Buying Group 1200 has an initial investment of $1,200. This money is not out of pocket, but comes instead from your CG600 credit. The credit paid out at the end of this level is $3,600. The credit is divided as followed: $2,400 reinvested into BG2400, $1,200 cash. The cash can be reinvested into your account to purchase vouchers, transferred to another member, or put in your pocket. It's your choice. Buying Group 2400 has an initial investment of $2,400. This money is not out of pocket, but comes instead from your BG1200 credit. The credit paid out at the end of this level is $7,200. and this completes the first cycle in the Kinkoi system. The credit is divided as follows: $360 in administrative fees, $1,200 reinvested into a second BG1200 group, $5,640 towards gold purchase. The Kinkoi member is now eligible to receive gold bullion, roughly 125 grams depending on market prices. At this point, the Kinkoi member can decide to receive their gold or sell it back to Kinkoi. The price that Kinkoi will pay is contingent on daily market rates. If you elect to sell, the cash can be used to reinvest into your account, to purchase vouchers, transfer to another member, or pocketed. It's your choice. Earnings and bonus programs and paths to success. The Kinkoi Gold Buying Plan offers 4 ways for financial success. 1. Investment in gold through buying groups. 2. Annuity bonuses on franchisees. 3. Start group incentives. 4. Bonuses on purchases of gold by franchisees. We've talked about investing in gold through the buying groups, so now let's talk about franchise participation in Kinkoi. There are 5 levels of franchises in the Kinkoi system: lead, iron, bronze, silver, and gold. Every member in the buying group plan is eligible to purchase into the franchise plan. You can choose your level of participation based on your financial goals. Each level of participation provides greater opportunities for success for Kinkoi members and their clients. Let's look at an example of how the franchise plan works. A buying group member enters the franchise plan upon completion of the CG600 stage. At this point, the buying group member enters the franchise plan at the lowest level, lead. Upon entering the lead level, the member will receive $16 into their Kinkoi bank account. Every client that you recruit into the franchise plan will add to the balance of your bank account. Your level of participation in the franchise plan is based on your investment into the plan. A greater level of participation will reap higher commissions with each new recruit. These recruits and the new members that they in turn bring into the franchise plan become part of your Kinkoi franchise class. Start group incentives. Recruiting new members into the Kinkoi Gold Buying Plan earns additional financial opportunities for you. With each new recruit, you'll earn bonuses depending on the level of their investment. The higher the level of their investment, the greater the reward to you. With a lead franchise, each time one of your new customers joins the Kinkoi system at the CG200 level, you receive 50 points. If the customer enters at the CG600 level, you receive 75 points. At the BG1200 level, 100 points. Remember, the higher the level of your involvement, the greater the bonuses awarded for bringing new members into our system. Successfully accumulating 200 points automatically qualifies you for a voucher worth $200. Bonuses on purchases of gold by franchisees. Successful completion of the capitalization group and buying group levels by the members of your franchise class translates into commissions for you. In our example, at the lead level, each time a franchisee completes CG200, you receive $5 into your account. Each time a franchisee completes CG600, you receive $10. Each time a franchisee completes BG1200, you receive $20. And each time a franchisee completes BG2400, you receive $40 into your Kinkoi account. Remember, the higher the level of your involvement, the greater the bonuses awarded for bringing new members into our system. On average, franchisees complete 2 cycles per year, so in our example, the minimum net would be $151, with possible bonuses reaching up to $710. At higher levels of franchise involvements, the payouts can reach far greater dollar amounts. The Leadership Program. The Kinkoi system rewards hard work. Individuals who are highly motivated can profit from Kinkoi's unique marketing plan. Exponential growth is the focus of our system, and anyone, regardless of background, can be part of our company. Upon joining the Kinkoi system, you become part of a class of participants in your sponsor's line. In our example, you have become part of a 6-member class. As a Kinkoi franchisee, you can now begin to recruit new members into our marketing plan. In this example, you have recruited 6 new customers into the system. This is the start of your own Kinkoi class. This creates a multiplying opportunity program. In our example, 3 members of your 6-person class will be gifted to your sponsor. The remaining 3 begin to create new opportunities for you by bringing their own recruits into our system. Over time, this can lead to amazing growth. You can see here that the remaining 3 members of your original class have now built up your line into a much greater number simply by finding new customers of their own. Each of these new customers in turn create the chance for exponential growth for both you and Kinkoi. The Kinkoi marketing plan is an amazing opportunity for people looking to get involved with a multinational company. Kinkoi provides a system for highly motivated individuals to create financial success by growing our business. We reward hard work. If you're looking to change your life or unhappy with your career, Kinkoi is just the opportunity you were waiting for.